Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first you have to reach Settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style and go to My Wallpapers. Here just pick the one that you want to apply as your home screen and also lock screen if you wish to do it for both. Let me choose for example this one and then decide, as I told you, if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen or both of them. Let me choose both and click on set on lock and home screens. And then you can also change the color palette if you wish. So here you've got at the display how it looks, and let me choose for example this one, then tap on apply and that's it. That will be all. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen, and the color palette is applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.